Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 21st when I'm recording this. Remember, we're always running a $7 trial for 30 days if you guys want to come check it out. If you enjoy the way that I look at the markets, just come on into the trading room, and I talk about this stuff all the time, and you guys can get instant direct feedback about what I'm seeing with the markets. So what I want to talk about today is the put-call ratio. We are getting down to an area where typically the market does tend to change directions. So remember, the put call is opposite of what the market does. So put call is low, market is high. Put call is high, market is low. So just start watching that and see, they do tend to line up where the market does tend to reverse. Okay, so we're starting to see a little bit of that. With that, we can also look at the internals, and the internals have been kind of diminishing. So we can see that basically the advanced decline volume really hasn't been doing much, and even recently it's been trending to the downside. And then we can see, other than a little bit of a spurt, we've been having the advanced decline of stocks move to the downside. So yes, internally we are starting to see some weakness. And then more specifically, if we look at the NASDAQ, which is giving us a pretty clear signal, we see here that the MOXY indicator is below zero while price was over the hourly 50. That's what I call an inverse trampling move, and price should not be over the 50 if the MOXY indicator is below zero. And boy, this has really taken a long time. I mean, the NASDAQ has been sideways for a few weeks at this point. It is really crazy to see, but given enough time, we want to see if price is actually going to move down. So for now, all I'm looking for is a bit of a pullback. We'll have to see, because there are still some bullish moving averages. So I'm just kind of looking to see if price wants to pull back and retest some support. But that's kind of where I'm looking at, and then we'll see what happens next. So be careful out there. The long side is looking fairly risky, and we need to see if the market's going to drop and refresh. So good luck out there, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.